Hello, good morning, students. How are you? I think you are fine. Yesterday, I have discussed acceleration due to gravity, free fall. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity below the surface of Earth, and what is the value of acceleration due to gravity above the surface of Earth? Today, I will discuss a new topic, gravitational potential energy. Our new topic is gravitational potential energy. The gravitational potential energy of a body at a point is defined as amount of work done in moving a body from infinity to that point in gravitational field. It is denoted by U. Gravitational potential energy of a body at a point is defined as amount of work done in moving a body from infinity to that point in the gravitational field. It is denoted by U. Now we will find expression for gravitational potential energy. 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 We have discussed what is gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy of a body at a point is defined as amount of work done in moving a body from infinity to that point in the gravitational field, and it is denoted by U. Now we will find expression for gravitational potential energy. Consider a body of mass m placed at point C, which is at a distance x from the center of the earth. Consider a body of mass m placed at point C, which is at a distance x from the center of the earth, whose mass is capital M. Now gravitational force of attraction between the earth and body is given by gravitational force of attraction between the earth and the body is given by F is equal to Gmm upon x square. Gravitational force of attraction between the earth and the body is given by F is equal to Gmm upon x square. Let the body of mass small m displaced through distance dx. Let a body of mass small m displaced through a distance dx along the direction of earth. Let the body of mass small m displaced through distance dx from C to B. Let a body of mass small m is displaced through distance dx from C to B towards earth. Then work done is given by work done, that is dw is equal to f dx. Then a small amount of work done, dw is equal to f dx, that is dw is equal to g mm upon x square dx. Now what is the total work done? Now the total work done in displacing the body, total work done in displacing the body from total work done in displacing the body from x is equal to infinity to x equal to r, x equal to infinity to x is equal to r. This is obtained by integrating the equation first, that is integrate equation first. dw is equal to x is equal to infinity to x equal to r, g m upon x square dx. Here lower limit is infinity, upper limit is r. X equal to infinity to x equal to r. Now we take out gmm, that is integration of dw is w is equal to g m and this become infinite r 1 upon x square dx. This can also be written as w is equal to g m infinity to r x power minus 2 dx. Now w is equal to g m and this become minus 1 upon x, lower limit infinite, upper limit r. This can also be written as w is equal to minus g m upper limit minus lower limit, that is 1 upon r minus 1 upon infinity, and we know 1 upon infinity is equal to 0. 1 upon infinity is equal to 0, that is w is equal to minus g m upon r. Now this work is equal to gravitational potential energy. This work is equal to gravitational potential energy. This work is equal to gravitational potential energy, that is U is equal to minus g m upon r. U is equal to minus g m upon r. Now we will discuss U is equal to minus g m upon r. Now we will discuss case first. If a body of mass m moves from a distance r1 to r2. If a body of mass m moves a distance r1 to r2 such that case first, such that r1 is greater than r2. If a body of mass m is moved from a distance r1 to r2 such that r1 is greater than r2, then work done or change in potential energy is given by work done or change in potential energy is given by, from here, dw work done or change in potential energy, that is du is equal to, we will integrate this equation, that is du is equal to lower limit r1 upper limit r2, r1 r2 gmm upon x square dx. Then we take out gmm, du is equal to gmm r1 to r2 1 upon x square dx. du is equal to, the integration of 1 upon x square we have seen minus 1 upon x, that is minus gmm 1 upon x r1 to r2. Then du is equal to minus gmm 1 upon upper limit minus 1 upon lower limit, 1 upon r2 minus 1 upon r1. But we have seen that r1 is greater than r2. But we have seen that r1 is greater than r2. Therefore, gravitational potential energy, since r1 is greater than r2, therefore gravitational potential energy is negative. That is, when a body is brought near the earth, when a body is brought near the earth, its gravitational potential energy decreases. Suppose this is my equation second. Now from equation we will discuss case third. Case third, case third, when a body of mass m is moves from surface of earth, when a body of mass m is moved from the surface of earth, r1 is equal to r to height h, that is r2 is equal to r plus h. When a body of mass m is moved from the surface of earth, r1 is equal to r to height h, r2 is equal to r plus h. Then change in gravitational potential energy. Then change in gravitational potential energy. Change in gravitational potential energy. From equation second we can see du from equation second, du is equal to minus G M M 1 upon, in place of R2 we will write R plus H, R plus H minus 1 upon R2 minus 1 upon R. Now when we will multiply by minus sign, then it become positive and this become negative. That is du is equal to G M M 1 upon R minus 1 upon R plus H. Now we will take common 1 upon R. Du is equal to G M M and take common 1 upon R, then it become 1 minus, common means divide, when we divide 1 upon R we get 1, and when divide 1 upon R plus H upon 1 upon R, that is what become 1 upon R plus H upon 1 upon R, that is R upon R plus H. Then it become R upon R plus H, R plus H. Now change in gravitational potential energy, du is equal to G M M upon R, and this become 1 minus R upon, we take R common again in R plus H, then R 1 plus H upon R. Now cancel this, then du is equal to G M M upon R, 1 minus 1 plus, transfer to the numerator, H upon R power minus 1. By binomial theorem it become 1 minus H upon R, that is du is equal to G M M upon R, 1 minus H upon R. Now when we open bracket, du is equal to G M M upon R, 1 minus 1 plus H upon R, cancel 1, du is equal to G M M upon R into H upon R. This can also be written as du is equal to G M upon R square into M H. We know since G is equal to Gm upon R square. Since G is equal to Gm upon R square, then in place of Gm upon R square we will write small g. Therefore du is equal to mgh. This is very important derivation for the examination point of view. Du is equal to mgh. Now we will discuss gravitational potential at a point due to earth. 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 What is gravitational potential at a point due to earth? The work done in bringing a body of mass m from infinity to a point at a distance r from the center of the earth. The work done in bringing a body of mass m from infinity to a point at a distance r from the center of earth is given by W is equal to minus gmm upon r. Work done in bringing a body from infinity to a point at a distance r from the center of earth, that is W is equal to minus gmm upon r. Negative sign, here negative sign shows that earth gravitational force is attractive in nature. Negative sign shows earth gravitational force is attractive in nature. Negative sign shows that earth gravitational force is attractive in nature. Now gravitational potential V is equal to W upon m. Therefore V is equal to minus gmm upon m into r. Cancel m. Therefore V is equal to minus gm upon r. V is equal to minus gm upon r. Now we will find the relation between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. Relation between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. What is the relation between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. We know that U is equal to minus Gmm upon R. Gravitational potential energy U is equal to minus Gmm upon R, and that is gravitational potential energy U is equal to minus Gm upon R into M. Now what is minus Gm upon R? You can see this is gravitational potential. That is gravitational potential energy is equal to gravitational potential into mass. Gravitational potential energy U is equal to gravitational potential into mass. Gravitational potential energy is equal to gravitational potential into mass. Gravitational potential energy is equal to gravitational potential into mass. Now can you tell me what is the difference between small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, and capital G, that is universal gravitational constant? What is the difference between small g and capital G? First difference is the value of small g at the center of earth is 0. The value of small g, that is acceleration due to gravity, at the center of earth is 0, and value of capital G, that is universal gravitational constant, at the center of earth is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Now second difference, the value of small g varies from place to place, but value of capital G, that is universal gravitational constant, remains constant throughout the universe. Now we will solve some numerical problem. Our first numerical is the gravitational field intensity at a point 10,000 kilometer from the center of earth is 4.8 Newton per kilogram. Calculate gravitational potential at that point. The gravitational field intensity at a point 10,000 kilometer, that is R is equal to 10,000 kilometer, that is 10,000 into 10 power 3 meter, and gravitational field intensity, that is E is equal to 4.8 Newton per kilogram. We know What is the formula of gravitational field intensity? E is equal to gm upon r square. Gravitational field intensity E is equal to gm upon r square. Gravitational potential V is equal to minus gm upon r. Gravitational field intensity gm upon r square and gravitational potential minus gm upon r. Now we will find V upon E, that is divide. Then what is the value of V? Minus gm upon r divided by gm upon r square, that is minus gm upon r into r square upon gm, that is minus r. V upon E is equal to minus r. V is equal to minus E r. V is equal to minus E 4.8 and r 10,000 into 10 power 3, 437. V is equal to 4.8 into 10 power 7. 4.8 into 10 power 7 joule per kilogram. Joule per kilogram. Now we will discuss next question. Our next question is, at a point above the surface of earth, the gravitational potential is minus 5.12. V is equal to minus 5.12 into 10 power 7 joule per kilogram. At a point above the surface of earth, the gravitational potential is minus 5.12 into 10 power 7 joule per kilogram, and acceleration due to gravity is that is G is 6.4 meter per second square, assuming mean radius of the earth is 6400 kilometer. Mean radius of the earth is 6400 kilometer. Calculate the height of this point above the earth surface. You have to calculate height of this point above the earth surface. For this, let small r, let r be distance of the given point above the surface of earth. Let small r be distance of given point. Let small r is distance of above point above the small r be the distance of given point above the surface of earth, then we know V is equal to minus gm upon r. V is equal to minus gm upon r, that is minus 5.12 into 10 power 7, and we know G is equal to gm upon r square, this is 6.4. Now we will find, divide V by G, that is V by G is equal to minus gm minus gm upon r into, this become reciprocal, r square upon gm, that is V by G is equal to minus r, or we can say r is equal to V by G. And what is value of r? Radius, value of r is 6400 kilometer, radius of the earth, that is V 5.12 into 10 power 7 minus r is equal to 5 minus 5.12 into 10 power 7 upon 6.4. Cancel minus sign, and to remove decimal we will multiply by 100 in numerator and denominator, then it become r is equal to 512 into 10 power 7 upon, this become 640, that is 64 into 10, and this become 8 times, then r is equal to 8 into 10 power 6, r is equal to 8 into 10 power 6 meter. It can also be written as r is equal to 8000 into 10 power 3 kilometer. No, 8000 kilometer. Now height of the point from the earth surface, height of the point from earth surface, height of the point from earth surface, that is equal to 8000 minus 6400. This is the radius of the earth, that is 1600 kilometer. Height of the point from the earth surface is 1600 kilometer. Thank you.